Let me guess, you went to Google and you searched the following question: how can I use TikTok as a business? Well, let me tell you, you are in the right place. We're gonna dive on in as soon as we cue that intro, and while the intro is cueing, comment your business below and your industry. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and TikTok expert. I actually own several businesses, and I've had the chance to see whether or not TikTok is actually good for businesses. Can TikTok be monetized for business? Is it a great place for branding and marketing? We're going to dive on into some of those questions here. Now, at the time of recording this, I have over 260,000 followers on TikTok. Every single month, I get millions of views, sometimes as many as 15 or 20 million views in a single month. I've even had a 3 million video view day. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to ask you, if someone were to give you a free billboard in Times Square, would you stop and say, I don't know about it because I don't know how I'm going to monetize? No way. You'd snatch it up. You'd say, absolutely yes, I need that billboard. I'll figure out how I'm going to monetize later. But there's something so powerful about eyeballs and exposure and grabbing people's attention, and that's truly what I've discovered on TikTok. Now, in order for you to decide whether or not TikTok is a great platform for you, I'm actually going to support you right now in jumping on TikTok to discover whether or not your target market is on TikTok. So the first thing I want you to do is open your TikTok app, and then you are going to go to, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that there is a little button that says Discover with a magnifying glass. It's the second from the left. So click Discover. Now, this is what I call my two-step reverse research method. It's how any business can discover whether or not their target market, their ideal clients or customers are on TikTok. You're going to go into the search bar, but before you search a single thing, first and foremost, I want you to think, okay? This is where the two-step reverse research method comes in. Think of the ideal hashtags that your dream clients or customers use, not the hashtags that you think they may be looking for to find your content. So for example, who do you serve? Do you serve hashtag dog lovers, hashtag Yorkie owner, hashtag yoga health journey, hashtag work at home mom, hashtag high school senior, hashtag busy parent? So you're gonna enter the hashtag that your dream client or customer is using on TikTok. So I know for me, I might look up business owner. Now, as the results come up, you're gonna go ahead and hit search. Then you're gonna go over to right here where it says hashtags, and just take a look at the volume of views on these hashtags. For example, business owner has 141 million views. Business owner check has 14 million views. Small business owner has 71 million views. I want you to comment below beneath this video and tell me, how many views do you see for the hashtags that your ideal clients or customers are using? And you tell me, is your ideal audience there? Now, as we dive on in, we're gonna go even further because a lot of people say, wait, I thought TikTok was only for teenagers. But the crazy thing about TikTok is that there are nearly 1 billion monthly active users on TikTok, and nearly 30% of those users are over the age of 30. So there's almost 300 million people over the age of 30. I guarantee you, your audience is there. The key distinction between you and your competition is that you have the opportunity while watching this video to jump on, and most of your competition is still feeling skeptical. So there's a wide open blue ocean for you to jump on in and beat your competition to get in front of your customers. Now, if you're enjoying this so far, be sure to hit subscribe to my channel because I release new videos about social media, marketing, business, and especially about TikTok every single week. Now let's talk for a second about what the purpose of TikTok is for a business owner. Because a lot of times when I see business owners jumping onto TikTok, they have this false assumption that the only way to be successful on TikTok is by going viral and having this huge following. Now let's real fast clarify. Maybe you've heard of Charli D'Amelio. She is a 16-year-old girl who's actually amazing. About a year ago, nobody really knew who Charli D'Amelio was. But what's insane is today she has over 60 million followers. She was sponsored by Prada. She was in a Super Bowl commercial. She was on the Ellen Show, the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. She even danced with J-Lo, and she's regularly now seen with celebrities. All of that happened simply because she consistently showed up on TikTok. And don't get me wrong, I love Charlie. I think that she's amazing. I think she's worked really, really hard for her success. But the goals of a 16-year-old on TikTok may be slightly different than what the goals are of a business owner. So while going viral can be awesome and attracting a massive following is never a bad thing, it may not necessarily be your goal. Instead, I want you to shift your goal into becoming an authority by creating evergreen authority building content. Now, how do you do that? You might be wondering. The first thing I want you to do is make a list of 10 questions that prospective clients or customers ask you regularly. For example, if I was a hairstylist, one question a lot of people ask is, how do I grow my hair healthy and strong? Now, if I was a wine reseller, people may ask, what's the best wine to pair with fish? So you're going to think of these 10 questions that people ask you, kind of like a list of FAQs. And what you're going to do is one by one create the answers to these in videos that are up to 15 seconds or even up to 60 seconds. And while they may not go viral, every single view on that video is going to be a lot more powerful. Every single comment is a potential prospect for your business. And what's so amazing about all of this is I want you to reverse engineer the value of a lead for your business. I'm serious. Tell me in the comments below, what is the value of one lead for your business? I'm waiting. What does it look like? What is the lifetime customer of a client or a customer? What is the lifetime value of a big deal that you might get or a sponsorship? You let me know. What about 10? It starts to multiply really, really fast. And when you realize that the value of one lead is massive, then every single eyeball on your evergreen authority building videos becomes even more exponentially powerful. And like I said, none of us would say no to the billboard in Times Square. None of us would say no to the fame that Charli D'Amelio has had. But as business owners, our goal is ultimately leads and sales. So the real key to being successful on TikTok is this. The fortune is in the follow-up. How well you follow up with every single lead, every single comment, every single question is going to determine how successful you can be on TikTok. And I know a lot of people always want like automation. They want it to be 100% done for you. But at the same time, the value of a lead is going to determine how hungry you are to respond to this new raving audience that's just waiting for you to show up as the expert that they need. The other thing that is so powerful about TikTok for businesses is that you can create valuable marketing content in less time than all other platforms. For example, taking a video can take anywhere from 15 seconds to 60 seconds, a maximum of 2 to 3 minutes to post it. That's way faster than an Instagram post or a blog or an email or anything that you create in your business. So that's why I love TikTok. And as we saw our business sales and traffic go up thanks to TikTok, I realized it was time for us to focus a lot more of our marketing attention on TikTok. So to answer your question, yes, TikTok is incredibly beneficial for businesses, but I actually put together an entire resource for you beneath this video. If you want to learn more about TikTok, grab my TikTok starter pack for free or jump on in to any of the other resources that you see beneath this video. And if you enjoyed this, like this video. If you think my voice is annoying, go ahead and dislike. I will catch you guys in the next video.